Euro Australian dollar. So let's break it down. As you know, we always start on the daily time frame. You see this great, nice, all one color impulse, followed by a retracement of two daily candle minimum of the same color. Then we go up to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we will identify our support or resistance that could be of influence. On the weekly, you can see this level of support right here. Price had came back to this level and found a big green candle forming bullish momentum also on the weekly when this level was used as support. So now we have identified our area on the weekly. We go back to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we will place our Fibonacci in the opposite direction of the retracement. So as you see right here, price has already broken above the 61 level. Normally, we will wait after the two daily candles have closed for price to break above the 61, followed by a retest to tap us in, and then ride it all the way to TP. But in this case, you see price had already closed above the 61 after the two daily candles. So you can either choose, I'm not going to take the trade, or you can just place your entry on the 61 level to get tapped in and ride it all the way to TP. You just have to make these choices for yourself. In this case, I did enter this trade. So we're going to put our round 2 on the 61 or near the 61, choice is yours. Stop loss at the 88 and TP on the negative 27. So right here, you see price has tapped us into the trade. And it also broke the 38 level. So now our stop loss can go from our stop loss point to break even, and we can enjoy a risk-free trade, riding it all the way to TP. So right now we're just chilling and we're waiting for our TP to hit. And as you can see, our TP just got smoked with this big wick just shooting all the way to the TP, hitting for a 1 to 3 risk to reward. This was my breakdown. I hope y'all enjoyed this breakdown. Appreciate y'all for watching. Peace.